What if this old 1978 African coin could be worth more than you think? Hushed face. This is not just a coin, it carries history and national identity. Collectors are always searching for rare African coins. Money mouth face. Is this 1978 coin common or secretly valuable? Money bag. Watch till the end on Coin Explorer to reveal its real worth. Fire. Introduction paragraph. Welcome back to Coin Explorer, your ultimate destination for discovering rare coins, hidden values, and powerful historical stories. And today we are exploring an interesting historical coin known as the 1978 South African coin. This coin comes from South Africa and features the national coat of arms, which includes symbolic animals and shield designs representing the heritage and identity of the nation. The inscription South Africa and the year 1978 clearly show its origin and period. Coins like this were widely used in daily transactions, but over time they have become collectible items depending on their condition and rarity. In this video, you will learn everything about its design, material, rarity, condition, and real market value, so stay till the end because this coin might surprise you. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Coin Explorer Money Mouth Face for more amazing discoveries. The design of this coin is rich in symbolism, featuring the South African coat of arms at the center, which includes animals like antelopes supporting a shield. The shield itself contains smaller symbols representing different aspects of the country's culture and history. Above the shield, there is a decorative crest adding to the royal and official appearance of the coin. The outer edge includes the inscription South Africa, along with the year 1978, which helps collectors identify the coin easily. The overall design reflects the traditional style of coins from that era, with a focus on national pride and identity. The details may appear worn on circulated coins, but well-preserved pieces still show clear and sharp engravings. When it comes to material, this coin is typically made from bronze or a copper-based alloy, which gives it a golden brown appearance and makes it durable for everyday use. The value of this coin is usually not very high in terms of face value, but it can increase depending on its condition, rarity, and demand. Among collectors, coins that are uncirculated or in mint condition are more valuable because they retain their original shine and detail. Special varieties or coins with minting errors can also be worth more, making them interesting for collectors. However, most common circulated coins are collected mainly for their historical and cultural significance, rather than high monetary value. Another important aspect of this coin is its historical significance because it represents a period in South Africa's past and reflects the design and minting style of that time. Coins like this serve as small pieces of history that connect us to a specific era and place. Collectors around the world appreciate such coins because they provide insight into different cultures, economies, and artistic styles. Proper care and storage can help preserve the condition of the coin and maintain its value over time, especially for those who are serious about coin collecting. In conclusion, this 1978 South African coin is more than just a piece of currency. It is a symbol of history, culture, and identity. Whether you are a beginner collector or an experienced enthusiast, this coin is definitely worth examining. Always check its condition, details, and year because these factors can influence its value. If you enjoyed learning about this coin, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Coin Explorer Money Mouth Face because we bring you the most exciting rare coins, hidden treasures, and real value stories from around the world. And who knows, the next valuable coin might already be in your collection. 100 points. Hushed face.